Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today is another video in our little series on caravanning for beginners, and today we're going to be looking at the electrical hookup and how to hook it up safely and how to store it safely. So stay tuned. So today we're going to be looking at the electrical hookup, and this is mine, and we're going to show you how to fit it correctly and also talk about some fire safety tips along the way. So electrical cables, they come in various lengths. They're all generally in a bright orange shielding, and they have a female and they have a male end. Now this female end connects to the Caravan and the male connects to the electrical outlet. So let's take a look at how we fit the cables. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fit firstly the female end of the cable into the Caravan itself. So I'm going to fit that on, lock it on there. Now we always fit this one first because we don't want to be walking across the site on a damp field holding a live end of a cable. That could cause some serious injury. So also it could trip out your electrics as well on the fuse box. So always remember, first things first is to plug it into your Caravan first. Now once it's actually on the Caravan, there's a little notch on my van, so I push that down and put the cable behind the actual door itself, lift up the door, and as you can see, it's nice and neat and it's out the way. Now if somebody did snag on that, it's not going to pull the actual cable out or cause any damage to it. So it's important that you follow that particular step. So this is a typical style of electrical box that you will see on a campsite. Now this particular one is not live at this moment in time. I have a storage yard that used to be a former Caravan site, and they've left these in. So we're going to use this for demonstration purposes. So we take our lead, and if you lift up at the bottom, you'll notice that there's a notch cut out at the bottom which will fit with this notch that's on the actual connection. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit that on now. Make sure it fits tight and on, and then this is going to fall onto there and lock it in place. Now in here there's a series of fuses and trips. If it's not apparent that you've got electricity, just check this to make sure that all the trip switches are in the right position. If they're not, contact the site warden and they'll come and assist you. Okay, so now we've hooked up the electrical cable. So here's a safety tip now for you. It's very important. Do not leave the cable stored on the reel while you're using it. What I would recommend is this. So let's take a look at how I do it. So once I have the cables in place and they're working, I lay out my cable in a loop fashion, as you can see here. This helps the cable stay cool and stops it from overheating. Now if you leave it on the reel, it'll get really hot and it will cause a fire, and that means one, you've lost your Caravan, and two, you could actually cause harm or injury to somebody. So it's very important that you spread your cable out in order to keep it cool and stop it from overheating. So we've now connected our electric hookup to the Caravan and we're ready to switch the system on. Now my system, as in the consumer unit, is underneath the front locker in the lounge. Yours could be somewhere else. Now what we're going to do is switch it on. That little beep tells the control panel it's now got electricity and it's ready to use. So if we have an issue with any of the appliances that we've got on board the Caravan, the first thing I do is check this panel here to see if the trip switches are still functioning and they're on. If they're not, switch them on. If they continue to trip, then there's obviously an issue with the appliance or the electric system in the Caravan, and I would recommend you seek the advice of a Caravan engineer. Now in the second one we have a series of fuses. Now it could be that you've just got a faulty fuse and it just might need replacing. Now in your handbook these are listed and they'll tell you which appliance or which device they're connected to. So always keep your handbook with you when you're away with your caravan. So there you have it, a simple and quick way on how to lay your cable out, set your caravan up ready for electric, and also a fire safety tip. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you join us again, but in the meantime, bye for now.